Hey there, Todd with Tribble Painting. Welcome to our wall of color. Today on the wall we're going to be using Saybrook Sage HC-114 by Benjamin Moore. This is a historic color, but it's also a color that works well in contemporary settings. This color was requested by one of our viewers. We appreciate that request. And this color has an LRV or light reflective value of 44.91 to be exact, which puts it almost in the middle of the scale of 0 to 100 in the amount of light that is absorbed or reflected. So sit back, let's take a look and see what Saybrook Sage looks like. So there is our first coat of Saybrook Sage. Still drying down and there's some show through. It's probably hard to see from the camera. We have some uneven areas from my roller marks, but you know, for one coat that's kind of what we would expect. So let's go ahead and put a second coat of Saybrook Sage in the Benjamin Moore Regal Select on and see what that looks like. Okay, there we have our final coat of Saybrook Sage HC-114 Benjamin Moore Regal Select. Second coat covered great, looks really nice. Looks, I think I like the color better with the white trim against it, seeing that contrast. And you know, color is really personal. It is dependent on the surroundings, the light, what the decorations or furnishings, and also what the ceiling and trim color that goes with it. So tell us what you think of Saybrook Sage HC-114 by Benjamin Moore. Thanks for watching our wall of color video. Please hit subscribe and like. It helps other people interested in color find our videos. Thanks again for watching.